Kenny Stevens' team is pleased to present 563 North Hoover, an 11-unit multifamily property located in Silver Lake. Constructed in 2019, 563 Hoover presents investors with the opportunity to trade a 50 or 60-year-old aging asset that they currently own for a newly constructed asset in one of the trendiest neighborhoods on the West Coast. With an impressive condo-quality build on a 15,000 square foot street-to-street lot, these units are equipped with high-end appliances, luxurious finishes, and state-of-the-art security system. Additionally, 563 Hoover features an abundance of amenities, including ample secured parking and a gorgeous rooftop deck with panoramic views of downtown LA and the Hollywood Hills. With a prime location in a trend-setting neighborhood, well-built units designed with low maintenance and longevity in mind, and strong in-place tenant profiles, an investment in 563 Hoover puts you in the heart of Silver Lake, a high-demand rental area for young, affluent professionals and families.